That is it. Now, if you can't tackle achievements and you can't tackle the fundamental that the government is fear, if you can't tackle policy, then what you start to tackle? What you start to attack? You start to attack people. And we have seen a dangerous trend emerging where people who are giving stellar public service, people who have achieved great things for this country, they are being hauled into the political arena. Now, it's one thing to attack me, as I said, my constitution strong. I rope a dope. Yeah, I take the lick and I move and I go again. But believe me, one day, that knockout punch is coming. So you keep your guard up, you protect yourself, and you move, and you keep moving. You keep moving. Now, I have seen several instances where people who have given stellar public service has been hauled into the political arena and their character assassinated, their integrity trampled. And you can only conclude is that they do so because they have bad mind. But you have to understand what we're dealing with. The PNP believes that they have a title for Jamaica. They believe they own Jamaica and all its institutions. They believe that they must be in control of all institutions of Jamaica. And they say, well, the JLP might be in government, but the PNP is always in power. That is what a PNP tell me. That gives you an insight into how they think and how far they will go to corrupt the institutions of government to maintain the power that they believe they have over this country. I know what I am saying is irking some of them. They are screaming in their seat right now, but I will talk the truth to the Jamaican people as I have always done. And what I am saying is not a lie. It is not of my own making. This is substantiated by fact. For those who are quick to criticize, just go and read your history and look up something called the Pickersgill Committee and why that was set up. I see some people asking, what is that? It's a simple thing. Go on Google, better yet, just type that into ChatGPT. Yes, man, it's the information age. Don't take what I said. Yeah, man, go and study it.